entering and editing data using different techniques. So the first technique is this, okay? You know, meron tayong shortcut sa pag-enter ng date. At ang shortcut na sa pag-enter ng date ay control semicolon. I'm not sure if you have tried this before, but please try it now. Control semicolon. O, diba? Hindi mo na itatype. Okay? Kapag mali yung date, hindi si Excel may kasalanan nun, ha? Yung computer nyo. Okay, kasi kukuha lang yan ng system date and time. Alright? Control semicolon for the date. Eh, ma'am, paano naman kapag time ang gusto ko? Okay? Please try this one. Control shift and then semicolon. Okay, try natin ha. Control semicolon, enter, control shift semicolon for the time. Okay? Ayan. So that is a shortcut for those different ways on how we can enter the date and the time. Another technique is this one, ano? Alam nyo ba that we can always enter the same information, okay, in a particular group of cells, okay? So for example, dito sa range na to, mag-highlight lang kayo ng isang range. Makikita nyo po dito that you have here selected range, no? Tapos yung kulay puti, di po ba sabi ko sa inyo, that is your active cell. Okay. So dito sa active cell ninyo, kapag ka po nag-type kayo diretso, dyan papasok yung sa active cell. No need for you to click kasi tandaan kapag nag-click kayo sa isang selection, nawawala yung selection natin. Okay? So again, why are we doing this? I would like you to know how to enter the same information in a group of cells. Okay? Highlight first, arrange. After you highlight the range, you can now press or type. Let's say I will type TPB. All right? And for me to enter the data in the whole selected range, no, I will press Control Enter. Control Enter. Yan. Tapos na. Okay? The old technique is for you to use copy and paste. I know you do that, no? But you can also use this technique. Okay? Once again, paano nga ulit daw? Highlight nyo lang po ang isang range, no? You can type here any information that you have. And for you to enter it in the same range, you just press Control Enter. And that's how you do it. Fast, no? Another one is let's talk about the autofill. Okay? So yung autofill naman natin sa Excel, it's also very easy, no? Autofill series, meaning to say if you would like to enter the same series of data in one particular range, no? You can do that for example, months, January for example. Okay? And you can use what we call the fill handle. Ito si fill handle, ayan yung maliit na square na yan, nandiyan sa kanan, okay? If you point your mouse over it, you will see yung plus sign, okay? You see your mouse pointer will change into a plus sign and then you can just drag it. Saan ito-drag? Kaliwa, pakanan, or pababa? No? Yun yung pwede. Okay, so you can drag it and down, katulad ng ginagawa ko. And as you can see, meron tayong tooltip. Ayun, nakikita nyo sa bandang taas sa kanan. Ayan, okay? Say, I will just want to fill it up to December. Ganyan siya. Okay? Then you can also do it with the abbreviated names, no? Jan, for example. Ngayon, ang technique dito, dahil meron na siyang kadikit, adjacent column, no? Gusto mo na matapos din siya hanggang kung saan natapos itong previous column natin. Again, dapat adjacent, nakadikit po, no? Okay, you can already do this technique. Double click na lang. Mas mabilis, diba? If you want to autofill it naman with names of days, Monday, you can do the same. Just type it. You can also have the abbreviation. All right. Then you can also have, for example, dates. You can press Control semicolon. You have the date. Double click. All right. You will see that it's per day. Tama po ba? But you have the other options here. Okay. So you will see here, ito pong ating smart autofill options na ito, makikita mo iba't ibang ways kung paano i-fill ang ating days, no? So you can fill it weekdays, months, for example, fill years, etc., etc. Okay. But if you have your own, you can always create your own series, no? Just like for dates and numbers, it's just the same. You have to define the first two series, no? First two data in the series. For example, gusto mo 5 and then 10 and then syempre susunod 15 and so on and so forth. So what you need to do is just to give the first two data within the range, highlight the two, and then double click. Ganun lang. Okay? Siyempre, kunyari gusto niya naman, every 30th of the month, no? 30/11/2020. Okay? That's 30/12/2020. Diba? Okay? Yan. Okay? Siyempre, alam niya yung February, hanggang 28 lang. Galing, di ba? Okay, so ibibigay niya yan sa inyo. Alright? But you can also have a combination of text and numbers. No? For example, week 1. Okay? Kapag ginawa mo, week 1, double-click nyo, pansinin nyo, nag-number na siya. Okay? Correct? Do you do this, guys? Ginagawa nyo na po ito? Yung autofill na. Give me a thumbs up if yes, no? Para lang po malaman ko. Alright. Good, good. Very good, very good.